Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie. Welcome to Club Foodie. Back in the 80s and 90s, there was a treat that I really enjoyed. Every time I saw it, I would buy one. Then suddenly, they just vanished. About 15 years ago, I decided to recreate them. And I'm glad I did, because they actually taste better than what I remember. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my yogurt bars with fruit and nuts. This is a recipe that David and I really like. It's great to have this flavorful and delicious treat in the mid-afternoon, after the gym, or other physical activities. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a small bowl, we'll combine a quarter cup of heavy cream with gelatin. We'll stir well, just enough to incorporate them. Next, in a small saucepan over medium-high heat, we'll pour in the other quarter cup of heavy cream. When it gets pretty hot, but not boiling, we'll add the gelatin mixture and blend it with the hot heavy cream. We'll turn off the heat and whisk for a couple minutes before removing from the heat. We'll transfer to a large measuring cup to cool off. After a few minutes, we'll add vanilla yogurt, sweetened condensed milk, and orange zest. We'll whisk all the ingredients until very well blended. Now, we'll place a silicone mold on a baking sheet lined with a silicone mat and pour the yogurt mixture in each mold. If you don't have one, pour the mixture into a baking dish, and later on, when it sets, you can cut it into bars. Next, we'll sprinkle on some sunflower seeds evenly, followed with chopped pistachios, and finally, the cranberries on top of the bars. We'll transfer to the fridge for 4 hours or the freezer for 2 hours. Another way I like to make them is to mix the fruit and the nuts all together. It's delicious and quite a bit faster to make. And my friends, this is our yogurt bars with fruit and nuts. Creamy, velvety, and with the added toppings, these bars make a great snack. You can use many different combinations of fruits and nuts, so use whatever you like. Plus, you can enjoy them frozen or chilled. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!